Hello, I'm going to share this week's video. The first thing I did was to run as an administrator and also check the local addresses and their PDIs. And the one I chose was port 389, TCP 389. And the reason I chose this one was because it is an active directory that relies on the directory services, and it can also help me authenticate and allow computer to find resources like users and groups and shared folders. I was also able to check the uh, corresponding PDIs down here. Just take a couple of seconds. Yeah, speed up the process a little bit. Down here. Yeah, I was also able to check the task list, and as you can see, it's down here as well. I also chose to use port Another port I chose to use was 3389, and I choose this one because it uses a remote desktop protocol, RPD, and it allows an admin to access and manage Windows without being physically present at the machine, like I'm using the VM. So the second thing that I did was to check on the services, and I was also able to choose two services. And the first one I chose was remote desktop service. And as you can see, it's running here. And the reason why I chose this one, it can allow me to connect remotely, and also, supports the login through the port 3389. The other one I chose was the Active Directory, which is up here. Takes a second. It's up here. Yeah. Active Directory domains servers. This one. I chose this one because it allows to manage users and computer and logins and networks. It also helps to store the domain informations about users like password and everything else. And you can also see that it's also running. So the other thing I did was to create I created a firewall port. Yeah, as you can see, this is the outbound rule. It's enabled, so I can click to disable it. So now it's disabled, but I can also enable it. This is the TCP port, 50,000 outbound rule are created, and also this is the inbound rule that are created. I can also enable it and disable it as well. Enable it. The other thing that I was able to do was to create a tax rule. And as you can see, it's here, daily window, and it's supposed to run at 11:30 every day. And it's also ready. Have its triggers here, action, and everything else. Thank you.